Hello and welcome to episode 4 of Fast Fridays. Today we're going to be talking about two different warp effects in Davinci Resolve, and those effects are Dent and Drip. So here we are on the edit page inside of Davinci Resolve. We're going to come over here into our toolbox and grab some of these color bars, drop them into our timeline here, and then if we go into Fusion now, we won't be able to see this because it's not compatible with Fusion. So what we need to do is turn this into a new compound clip. We're going to hit create right there, and now we can go into Fusion with this and we'll see it right there. So the easiest and fastest one that we're going to be working with today, like I said, are dents. So we're going to go ahead and hit Shift Spacebar to open this up, type dent, and then we have our dent tool right there. We're going to add that. We're going to hold Shift and drag it into this line so that they're attached. And then we're going to go ahead and play with the strength. Right here, you see how I opened this video. It's literally just keyframe dent. You can change the size. There are all sorts of dents in this menu, so play around with those and find one that you like for your project. Next, we're going to come up to our effects library. We're going to go ahead and open up the tools menu, scroll down to warp, click it, and then we're going to use drip this time. So you'll find that most of these are very easy to use, very easy to work with. So drip here, just like dent, has very few controls. Amplitude changes the strength of the effect, so way up here it's crazy strong, and then not here at all down on that end. Our aspect changes how horizontal or vertical our rippling is. Set that in the middle, it's more circular. Dampening is going to reduce the amount around the edges. It's kind of like softening. We have frequency, which is going to change the frequency, so you can get effects like this, do all sorts of stuff. So all of the warps that are available to you in Fusion are pretty awesome, so I would suggest going through the rest of them. And if you have any questions about how a specific one works, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you next Thursday.